2-hour video tutorial about the PERT exam with a lot of helpful information about preparing for the test. The first thing to do is to go to our website here to find any information you need about the college. And you would basically just type www.broward.edu, enter, and this is our website. Many students apply to Broward College and they jump into the test right away, and then they get upset because they miss testing out of a certain remedial class, let's say by 1 or 2 points, and they didn't review before they tested, or they didn't have the time, or they didn't know where to find the information. So this tutorial will help you to make sure you get prepared. So from our website, under the admissions tab right here, we just go to testing right here. And this is our testing site. It tells you everything you need to know. It has campus locations, so you can see the schedule. If you're coming to North, for instance, you just click North and it'll tell you the schedule for all the tests, including the PERT. And you just walk in without an appointment anytime during the open testing hours. Okay, let's go back to testing home. And also, you could see the, if you go back, actually you could see the contact information right here. So if you need to call, if you have any questions ahead of time. So let's go back to the testing home. Okay, you can see all of the tests we have here. Here's a placement table, so you could see what scores you would need, for instance, to test out of. So as you can see here, here's Prep 1, Prep 2, and if you score a 103 or higher, you'll place right into college level English. Now, some students ask us about the exempt and non-exempt rule based on the new Florida law. That should be explained through the admissions process, so you will know if you're exempt or non-exempt status. So we're not going to go over that in this video tutorial, but if you're watching this, that means that you are planning to test, required to test, or deciding to test. So let's go back here to the testing home. Alright, even though we have many exams, we'll have videos going over these exams, but for now let's click on PERT. Okay, and you could see here that we have a study guide right here. Alright, this is a PDF, okay, and you can go through the tests for reading, English, and math. First time test takers will probably most likely be taking, first time in college students, will be taking all areas, math, reading, English. Returning students or transfer students may only be taking certain parts of the test. So for instance, if you just need to do the reading, let's say, you can practice the reading section and disregard the math and English. If you're doing just math, you could focus just on the math. And as you could see at the end, it gives you the answer keys, so you could see what you need work with and what you need to practice more. Alright, so let's get out of this. Okay, then there is some more online interactive stuff. So if you click here, okay, and let's say we go to math sample test. Okay, so you could actually do the problems here and submit your answers, and then at the end of the test you could see what you need work with the most. If that's not enough, there's some great alternatives here. There's a Start Smart Refresher Camp for $30 each. So there's reading, English, and math, $30 each, and you would get tutoring for 2 weeks. And if you have any questions about this, make sure to meet with an academic advisor to help you register for that. There's actually a free online college readiness course right here. Click on it. You register right here. All you do is click the registration and click enroll, and you're in the class. These are the professors for each area: English, math, and reading. This is free, unlike the Smart Camp, which would be $30 for each area. This is totally free, and it's online. So it's very interactive, and you can figure out, again, what areas you're weak with by working through the material. And it's online and interactive. If you're retesting and need to show proof that you've remediated, when you complete this free course, and again, you do not get a grade, it's just a free non-credit course, and at the end you print out a certificate of completion that you could show to the advisor that you've remediated. But first time in college students that are testing for the first time do not need to show proof of remediation. Alright, so we go back to the testing page. So that's basically it. You can read through frequently asked questions, but that's basically it for now in giving the important information about preparing. So hopefully when you test, your score will reflect your knowledge base.